Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Countdown Mathematics Grade 6. After a long time, let's start the recordings once again. So my dear students, I hope you should keep in touch with mathematics. Basically, mathematics is a key of mind, and without key, you don't open the lock. The brain is your lock. You need a key. What is key is? Key is mathematics. So please don't hesitate to develop a relation with this mathematics. Okay, so please let's start. Financial arithmetic. Arithmetic basically Greek letter arithmos से derive which is called as a number. Greek word which means number. So in this chapter number 7, we should find the, let's suppose you have to buy something 7 kg things, you don't know what is its price in 2 kg sugar, wheat or something else. So let's start the exercise without any wastage of time. Exercise 7a. Okay ji, exercise 7a. Question number 1. If a bag containing 12 kg of basmati rice sells at a rupees of 492, find the cost of 2 kg of rice. So my dear students, there are two methods to solve this problem. लेकिन मेरी कोशिश होगी कि मैं आपको पहले एक आध क्वेश्चन दोनों मेथड से एक्सप्लेन करूंगा, which you feel easy, you may adopt that method. Okay, the first method is unitary method. Which method is unitary? Mean हम इसकी कुछ definition जरा सुन लें. Unitary method is used to find the value attached to individual objects and to determine the value a group of objects. First of all, we should find the unit value, then we should find the group value. Okay, let's see. In this question, rice in kg and its price, cost. You can write the rice in basmati rice hai. Basmati rice. Okay, ratio cost. Cost in rupees. How much? 12 kg basmati in kg. Okay, 12 kg rice cost 492. So find the cost of 2 kg. Basmati rice is going to be decrease, mean कम quantity हमें चाहिए 2 kg. What is its price? So this means kg कम होगी तो कम पैसों के वो राइस आएंगे. कम, simple ratio. ये भी direct proportion है. One quantity is decrease, other one also decrease. We should write start from 12 by 2. टेल से स्टार्ट करेंगे, ये रेशियो वाला इक्वल साइन 492 by x. तो by cross multiply everybody should know 492 multiplied by 2 dividing the coefficient. Okay, so 12 cancel. Let's see, 2 1 the 2, 2 6 12. X becomes to be 492 by 6. So you can cancel, and 8 times 6 48, 12, 6 to the 12. So what is the price of 2 kg rice? 82 rupees. So rupees becomes to be 82 rupees price of 2 kg basmati rice. This one method is unitary method. Now I'm just explain about the second method, which is called, it's not a unitary method, it's a ratio method. Proportion mean अभी unitary method इसके बात करेंगे. No unitary method is this. It's a ratio method. One quantity rice in kg, other mean cost in rupees. It's a ratio method. The second method is called unitary method. Now let's see. 12 kg rice cost of 12 kg basmati rice, which is equal to 492 rupees. Cost of 1 kg rice mean 492 by 12. यूनिटरी में हम क्या करते हैं, दिस टर्म को डिवाइड कर देते हैं टोटल. व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ 2 kg राइस, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. ओके, यू जस्ट सिंप्लीफाई इट. और सिंप्लीफाई कभी आपने किया है, 2 1 2 2 6 12, तो 6 टाइम 80 48 2. तो व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ 2 kg? कॉस्ट ऑफ 2 kg rice is rupees 82. You may write the statement here. Both statement you should write answer in statement form. So my dear students, exercise 7a, you can solve these questions. You may adopt any one of them. Ratio method, you should take the one quantity rice, other quantities cost in rupees, and you see which one directly proportional or inversely proportional. It's a directly proportional, mean rice का केजी कम लेंगे, राइस कम पैसों में, पैसे भी रुपीस भी कम होंगे. तो ये डायरेक्टली है. तो डायरेक्टली का हमने लगा के हमने ये भी आंसर शुड बी सेम. आंसर डिफरेंट नहीं होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि बिकॉज द मेथड इज डिफरेंट. लेकिन ये नहीं हो सकता कि 2 kg का आंसर यहां हो रहा है यहां हो रहा है. नो, बेसिकली बोथ हैविंग द सेम आंसर. तो आई होप के ये एक्सरसाइज इंशाल्लाह हम सॉल्व करेंगे. थैंक यू.